OnDemand is the future of online learning. Multi-award winning and flexible, OnDemand is an interactive online learning course, allowing the student to study at their own pace. OnDemand provides a structure for your employees' studies, making it clear what they should be working on and what's next. It offers a large quantity of bespoke bite-sized tutor-led recordings that give the student full syllabus coverage, walking them through it the way a tutor would. The recordings are interspersed with activities and questions to test their knowledge and embed what they have learned. Responsive and designed for efficiency and effectiveness of learning, it offers interactive practice questions and a mock exam, which are marked with feedback given. For support, there are learning coaches who monitor your students' progress, drawing on their learning data to see where they can add value. Dedicated tutors are available 7 days a week, and students can access help via live chat, request a callback, or email. They get the same level of support they'd expect from a classroom. Bespoke, accessible, and at the forefront of new learning technology.